Welcome to Behind the Design with Jacqueline Green. I'm a marketing pro, entrepreneur, and mom of two. I blend my experiences in marketing, interior design, and education with a side of humor to help small business leaders grow their businesses. Get ready for some practical expert tips from someone who knows the industry inside and out. Now let's jump in today's topic. Hey there. Are you frustrated because your Instagram is not growing at the speed that you want? Maybe it's a snail's pace. Maybe you're seeing your competitors grow faster and you're wondering, what are they doing differently? And you've looked at the blogs, you've looked at the videos, and you're like, okay, what is this? Today we're going to actually talk about 3 little hacks that are lesser known ideas, I guess, and that aren't really promoted at Instagram to kind of help you. And this is part 1. I actually have several other videos to follow this. So make sure you continue to subscribe to us and continue watching, because you're going to get some hacks that you don't even know exist. The first one is saves. I don't know if you know this, but actually Instagram likes when someone saves your content. And you don't really think about it. You think, oh, well, I just want someone to like the content or make a comment. But saves a whole nother level of engagement. When someone saves something, Instagram says, okay, that must be valuable, so I want to go ahead and show that some more. So how do we get people to save? Well, 1, we ask. That's simple as that. Hey, hit save. And we can do that in the comments, or if you're doing a video, hit save versus subscribe. So call to action. 2, the more important one is you want to create content that's really important, that somebody would want to save it. So think about guides or how-tos or tips of some sort, something that someone will want to go back to actually look at. So give some value. It has to be high-value content. Okay, now the second one of the hacks I'm going to give you today is all about your timing. I've talked about this in previous videos, but your timing is really important. And why is that so important? You might be asking. Timing is important because Instagram sees that if people are engaging in the first 30 minutes, then they see that as, oh, this is really valuable and people want to see this, I'm going to show it more. So that first 30 minutes after you post something is really crucial for your content to reach more people. And so how do we do that? Well, 1, you want to go on there after you post something and make a response to it. So, you're basically commenting on your own Instagram post. I know it feels weird, but you want to add some other little value. The second way you can do that is immediately following you putting that post up, you want to put it into your stories as well. So remember, stories go to all of your followers, where a post can go to anyone and a reel goes to non-followers and followers. And so there's a distinction between there. So as soon as you post something, you want to then go ahead and put it into your stories. Now, stories only last for 24 hours. That gives you an opportunity to reach more people by using the stories. So that's the second hack I have for you. Now, make sure you stick around, because I have a free gift for you at the end to kind of really help you with your social media, and I don't want you to miss it. So my third suggestion are carousels, and there's a new change with Instagram. So it used to be you could do a carousel, and I think a carousel is you're swiping through the pictures on the same post. Again, engagement. And now, instead of only being able to have 10 pictures, you could have 20 pictures. Now, there's a couple of reasons why carousels are important. 1, if someone swipes through and is just scrolling through and they don't actually swipe, Instagram will actually repost that and put it on a different picture within your carousel. So you have 2 chances to be able to be seen. The other part of that is that carousels, you can actually tell a story with carousels and give more, so you can show different angles or different aspects of whatever you're sharing. And at the end, you want to be able to have a call to action and say, hey, save this, or hop over to my email or my website, or DM me for this free offer, whatever that is. So those are 3 hacks that are really important. Now, make sure you subscribe, because I have another video, part 2, that covers 3 more hacks that you're going to want to know. Now, about that free gift. So I know Instagram is pretty overwhelming. All social media really is. So we created this great resource. It's 30-day social media calendar. And it's perfect to kind of jumpstart. We talk a lot about being consistent. Well, it's hard to be consistent when you're not sure what to post. So this free offer gives you 30 days of posting ideas, and you can spread that over 45, 60 days, whatever. But it really helps you develop a structure, helps you create a content calendar, really kind of get you organized and jumpstart your efforts on Instagram. Because remember, Instagram is great for two things. One, for building your brand and getting brand awareness, and two, for generating those leads. So I hope you found this helpful, and stick around for my next video on additional hacks that you must know.